Welcome to Boxmaker, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 1062. We're opening two boxes of 13-14 Panini Select Hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended July 31st at 8:59 p.m. And according to TimeAndDate.com, it is currently 12 past 1 p.m. Saturday, August 1st. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 206-439-086. The second box 190-846-279. That clear out. There we go. Okay, we got 6 cards per pack, 12 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. Sorry. Just like to mention that we've got 7 box breaks ending tomorrow night between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. We have another select identical to this one ending at 9:30. We also have some Artifact 14-15 2 box break. We have 2 mini box and an empty box. So I have a 4 box limited 12-13 and a Crown Royale 13-14. Okay, on with the break, we've got an empty box, 2, 4, 6. Yep. Another empty mini box, 2, 4, 6. First time ever 2 box break. Okay, let's just do a couple of adjustments here. Better. Okay. There we go. Bases. Rookie. Carter Banks for Calgary. Jared Canardi from Montreal out of 99. Rookie signature card. That's the Prism version. Vincent Lecavalier for Flyers, Prism Parallel. Double strike, Al McInnes for Blues. A rookie, Drew LeBlanc for Blackhawks. Ryan Garbutt, signature card, Youth Explosion for Stars. Calvin Picard, rookie, Fire on Ice for Colorado. And Alexander Burrows for Vancouver, Prism Parallel. Okay, get rid of this here. Rookie, Cameron Schilling for Caps. Nice thick one in there. DeFast out of 50 for Ducks. Oh wow. Let me get the base out there. So we got a rookie patch and auto for Ducks out of 50. This beautiful design, beautiful card. Okay, next pack. Philip Fosberg, the Predators. Rookie Select Future. That's a gold. Yeah, it's numbered 8 of 10. Oh, nice set for Predators. Jack Johnson for Columbus. Prisma Parallel. Select Freezers. DeFast, a rookie for Ducks. Another rookie, Anders Lee for Islanders. Ryan Murphy for Hurricanes out of 99, rookie signature card. And we're down to our last pack of our first box. Fire on Ice, Mike Camilleri for Calgary. And Alex Pietrangelo for Blues, Prisma Parallel. Okay, that's the first box. Do a little cleanup here, keep it clean and on screen. Okay, second box. Tomorrow night, I also have a brand new product that came out a couple of days ago from IPG Leaf. It's game used, just a beautiful product. It ends on at 10 p.m. tomorrow night. We got 2 mini boxes and an empty box. I also added the link of Leaf ITG for the description, and check this on my description page. Just a beautiful product. Check it out. Ends tomorrow night at 10 p.m. Okay, we got our first mini box is empty. 2, 4, 6. Our second mini box is also empty. 2, 4, 6. Okay. First pack of our second box. Fire on Ice, Jeffrey Lupul for Toronto, and Ryan Getzlaf for Ducks, Prisma Parallel. Cameron Schilling, rookie for Caps. Zach Redmond out of 399 for Winnipeg, rookie signature card. Anthony Niemi for Sharks, Prisma Parallel. Double strike. Marian Hossa for Blackhawks. And a rookie Anders Lee for Islanders. Oh, this is nice. Let me get the face out here. We got Nail Yakupov out of 50 for Oilers. Oh, wow. Rookie auto patch. Beautiful card. Great player. Nice hit for Oilers. Card number 4. Start a second pile here before it crumbles down. Okay, next pack. Rookie, Mark Gundry, Fire on Ice for Calgary, Gundry, and Shane Doan for Coyotes, Prisma Parallel. Carter Banks, Rookie for Calgary. Michael Caruso out of 399 for Panthers, rookie signature card. Bobby Ryan for Ducks. Oh, sorry, for Senators. Prisma Parallel. You got Senators written small here at the bottom. Here goes to Senators. John Tavares for Islanders, Cornerstone version. Rookie, Drew LeBlanc for Blackhawks. And we're down to our last pack over 2-box break. Yeah, clean up here. Got a redemption card. Okay. Youth Explosion. Patrick Maroon, card number 26. Okay, well, we're at the end of the break, so I'll move my camera and get to Panini America checklist. I'm already set up, so let's go to my second screen. Okay, now we need to get the hockey. 13-14. This is the Panini official checklist, by the way. Okay, Panini. Okay, programs. We need to select 13-14. Here we go. Okay, now we need to get to a Youth Explosion. So, probably right there. Card number 26. Patrick Maroon, Anaheim Ducks. So, redemption card goes to Ducks. Back to our hits for a quick recap. Okay, let me just get organized here. Okay, so Duck hit the redemption card. Okay, rookie Blackhawks, rookie auto for Panthers. Rookie Fire on Ice for Calgary. Beautiful Naya Yakubov. Rookie auto patch out of 50. For Islanders. Rookie auto for Jets. Rookie auto for Hurricanes. Gold version rookie of Philip Fosberg out of 10 for Predators. Beautiful Victor Fast patch, rookie auto patch out of 50. Signature card for Stars. And for Montreal, rookie auto out of 99. So that concludes our break number 1062. 2-box of Panini Select 13-14. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tomorrow night between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.